Blaster, thank you.
Dude, they're all like dehydrated.
Yeah, no, these are all.
Am I missing anyone? Shop comp Friday, people.
Oh my god.
Eggs.
Baby scrims.
So, if everyone remembers growing up, right? That competition in field day. The spoon with the egg.
Oh god.
Competition.
Crazy.
But we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna do egg on a spoon in the mouth.
It's already gonna drop.
Wow, crazy party.
No way.
We have drift bar. Drift bar will always have to be up.
Well, we're just transitioning and stuff though.
No, we're all shredders here.
What do you mean?
Drift bar goes up. If we see that drift bar
always up.
Well,
goes
yeah, like
down,
fucking...
you're getting a 0. You cannot drop the egg. If you break
put
the
it
egg,
down a little bit though.
you'll clean up the egg.
Yeah, you sit.
Keep your egg. Keep your egg. I don't want to see anyone going to try and hard boil it. Real quick, like Slidey this morning in the microwave. He saw the eggs. He heard what the competition was. He saw my text to Casey.
Cheater.
Alright.
Let's have the Verizon guy do it. What's his name?
Yeah. Brian!
Brian!
You're making your first guess.
We need you to pick the names out of the hat for the order.
All right, here we go.
Who's going first?
Read for
Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. What we got? What we got?
Competitor number 1.
Andre. Casey.
Oh, cameraman!
Oh,
Hooray,
yeah.
All right, I cheated. Nick.
Hey.
Oh!
Slitty. I've heard him called Slitty a couple times now.
Go, Slitty!
Ryan's up.
Woo!
Reed.
Oh!
Oh, you knew it.
Charlie. All right, and up last.
Zane.
Alright, so we're all using the same cart. Set it on the line.
Give it best chance.
Alrighty. So the cart, just for the guys that like the specs, this is a Stage 3R that we built for Hoonigan for SEMA. These are the same carts that were in the burn yard. We have 10 of their carts here that we're going to actually be taking to Fuel Fest as well next week. So we are keeping it where it is fair. 36 volt, 500 watt with casters, right? With the Stage 5 chassis for durability.
Yo, easy, Raptors!
Best view.
3, 2, 1. Taking you.
Instant replay, instant replay.
Someone had to get the first one out of the way.
I'm so glad I didn't go first.
No pressure. Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Dude, he has this.
Wow. How's it feel to be the first champ?
That's how it's done, baby. Let's go. Who's next? Ew, what the hell? Egg sack? Get out of here.
Grandpa balls.
Nick, are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
You got the jaw. He's got the jaw.
He's barely sideways. Come on.
Whoa!
Style in it.
Room 2.
Oh, boy. He's getting cocky.
Nick Jeezy just ran
27?
27.
Okay. All right. 2, 1, go. Nice initiation. Look at that concentration. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Yo, good jaw, good jaw. Tandem's gonna be f***ing insane. All right, 30.65. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Silence.
Making it egg.
Yo, roll it out. Rally spec. Ow! Oh! Oh!
What happened? You cracked it?
He had it. He was only at 20
You're
seconds.
about to beat his time. You were flying.
I was hauling ass straight. I will report back on
What
that.
of?
The smell of the egg just in general.
Breaking?
It smells pretty gnarly.
I'm not the only one. Here we go.
Phil did let it slide back in there.
Science.
3, 2, 1, go! Go, Reed. Go, Reed. Oh! Oh! Going the other room. Yo, careful. Oh my God, what's the time? Yo, what was that? Oh! Yo, spin back
That's the line.
dude!
That was it.
What do you
Broke
mean?
your egg.
We said to keep your egg.
Keep your egg.
We said to keep
Oh.
Broke your egg.
Shit. And he
And
had
he
the
had the
best
That's the
time.
only way I know to slow down.
Hold on, guys. Let's
Hold on, you had the
Reed,
best.
Just give us a smile.
Damn,
Tell us what happened.
25.96?
Tell us what happened.
Wait, whoa. Yeah, you beat my time.
But you broke your egg.
You're DQ.
How does that work?
You break your car, you can't compete.
All right, where's the bag?
Oh, that one cracked me.
Who's next? Charlissimo? Got this. You did a lot of relay races, right? As a kid?
Field day participation champion.
Garbage cans off.
Yo, what the f?
Of course it is. It's tape.
Huh?
Yo, that's not.
Huh?
Oh my God. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, easy wobble. Woo! Now we're talking. Oh, easy. He's hauling ass. Yo, who's timing it?
Show me my opponent.
Yeah.
25.9. Yeah.
Totally beat you, but I was like trying
Yo,
to
what's
like
up, leaderboard?
no. And then there was Zane.
And he got the 360.
Go!
You gotta make up time.
Don't drop the bar, Here he goes, he's going deep. Egg in the mouth. Oh! Hit the timer. What was the time?
27.7.
Almost.
All right.
It was a good effort.
All right, so now it's round 2, which is going to be ultimate elimination. I have to beat Charlie's time of 25.1, or I'm out. So it's going to force me either to go faster or drop my egg. 25.
So everyone's going again. That didn't break their egg. They have to beat 25-1 or they're out. Or if they break their egg, they're out.
This time
Starting with Brandon.
needs to be you or better.
Hear that?
Let's go, Papa.
Let's go, Slitty. I'm gonna count you down once it goes red.
Cozy cheat technique.
Whoa, what's this new technique? Side egg? All right, 3, 2, 1, go, Slitty, go! Oh, dude.
Here he goes.
Yo, it's got a new technique. Oh, we got a new set of shoes. No spin. technique wasted. Boo! Did you break it? Oh!
We know.
21. 3, 2, 1, go! Coming in deep, he's coming in deep! Hurry! He's got that stick down his throat! Oh, he crashed the egg! He crashed the egg!
What is it? 19.7.
1978. Tell her to come over, get
What?
an egg. You're up.
Why am I up? I'm the fastest time.
No, you don't. Oh, then I'll go.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, here he goes.
Oh, he's coming!
What was it?
Will the camera see it first?
Ooh, close.
21. I'll take 21.
Hey, that's better than him.
His last words.
Let's get it.
What?
Let's get it.
3, 2, 1, go! Goes in, egg omelet, zing, zing. Whoa, he's got to beat him up! Oh, beat him up! Yo! On the van! Get
You gotta cook this up, dog. You're eating or what?
Oh my god, it's
on,
Eddie!
Yo, eat it with the spoon.
Yo, this look delicious.
Alright, ready?
Oh! No pressure, Mr. Charlissimo. What do you got? Any last words for the competition?
See you in the finals.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yes. Concentration. Looks faster already. Faster than 19. Oh, he's got the X still. Oh! Yo, easy!
What happened?
Omelet.
Where'd it go?
I don't
Right
even-
there.
Where is it?
Gotta go to tandem. I'm
I
gonna
wish you
beat
had a
you.
close-up of his face when he got off the cart, though.
I do.
But when
Make
you
the
turned
face, make
around
the
was
face.
really when he was like, he went white back to color.
face.
Because like he was pale. Like just
Make a face.
legitimately
What's
ghost.
it look like?
Just, yeah.
See, I messed up. When I lost control, the spoon went back and it hit the back of my throat. I was like, oh!
Who won? You
Alright,
gotta
so
finish it
I
off.
won the egg drop challenge. But now, to include everyone,
Yeah, but who got second?
Casey, you got second.
Okay, sweet.
Show yourself.
Was I on pace thing to beat it?
No. You're wobblies.
Whoa,
don't think
easy.
you were on
You were third though. He's
I was on
third,
pace
right?
for 20 seconds first.
Third place. Third place is still top
I'll
three.
take third.
So now to bring everyone back into the party, so doing a top 8 battle, right? So we're gonna randomly select the battles with the things again, right, with the names, and then we're gonna tandem battle. All right, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, okay. Leader chase. Yo,
I'll chase.
what do you gotta say? What's happening? What do you think? What do you think going into this? You got the technique, the side saddle.
Use my little Popeye technique, my dog with the bone.
Yo, it's through your cheek. Is everybody ready? Yo, you're trying new techniques now? Yo, Eggy. We're gonna count it down. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, get him sliding, go deep.
No one technically lost.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let me see yours, Reed.
Oh, we got a cone! Oh, there's it! Oh! technically cheated.
What?
Yeah!
He clicked the box and dropped his egg. And then I hit him, and then I caught my egg.
Then he grabbed his egg.
Hey, he saved
But no,
that.
no, it's not cheating.
That's fair.
Read one, read one.
Hey, the rule was don't drop your egg.
All right, any final last words?
I'm gonna tap this kid.
I'm just trying to go past the first box.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
There you go.
Don't let him bother you. Don't let him bother you.
Okay.
All right, go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
I'll do chase.
You just put egg all over my shirt? Final. What do you think?
It's gonna be
Predictions.
tough. I don't know. Didn't know these two would make it to the finals, but I'm excited to see this egg crack.
All right, we're counting it down.
Here we go.
Ready?
4, 3, 2, 1. Sunday.
Doors. Get him. Get him. Pressure. Eat the egg.
Good shit, dude. Good shit.
Oh! Winners read.
Hold on.
All right, shop comp round 2.
That's a
done.
wrap. Friday shop comp 2 in the books. Let us know what you guys want us to see to do at the shop. What? Next Friday. Try and do this every Friday, but let us know in the comments below what you want to see us do.
No, it's Fuel Fest.
We've got ideas. We'll be at Fuel Fest next Saturday, which we will do a competition there. But I got a couple other cool things I'm thinking of. But yeah, see you guys next time.